Is Norway's favorite candy a knockoff of something more famous? Let's find out, and stay until the end for my review. Kvikk Lunsj, released in 1937 by Freya in Norway, are 4 wafer sticks lashed together and enrobed in milk chocolate. Sound familiar? Well, they're not, because these are stamped with storks. The name came from its inventor, Johan Holst, when he got lost hiking with a friend without any food, and his friend scolded him for not even bringing a quick lunch, but in Norwegian. Kvikk Lunsj translating to Kvikk Lunsj, but in English. This association with hiking never left them as they leaned into it and marketed themselves as the source of energy you need on a hike or ski trip after you've been lost for days and are done eating your own family. In Norway, this candy has strong associations with Easter, when many people spend the holiday in the countryside, which is why their wrappers have spring-like colors on them, not because of Norway's famed obsession with Bolivia. Inside the wrapper, they even feature suggested hiking trails or a bio of a famous hiker or the Norwegian Mountain Code of Safety, as if we all didn't already have that memorized. Like I said, this came out in 1937 and was suggested by the creator's son, who had just come back from a trip to England where he had tried a hot new candy that had come out just 2 years earlier, the Kit Kat. So they decided to make their own version and deny it's like a Kit Kat at all until the end of time. Kit Kat even tried to get the 4-bar design trademarked for years so they'd have to change their design, but it never worked, so Kvikk Lunsj continues to not be anything like a Kit Kat, legally. My review? It's impossible to not compare this to a Kit Kat because it's a Kit Kat, but it has qualities that are both better and worse than a Kit Kat. The chocolate on these is much creamier, but at the same time less flavorful. Overall, I'd say it's just a small step down from a Kit Kat, so my rating is 3.8 out of 5 cavities. Sorry, Norway.